What's up, my LS Crazy Amigos? Your boy Terry, speaking from the garage shop once again, here to offer you some more big bang for the buck product and info. Yeah, that's right. You're looking at my LY6. You see it. Here it is. We've talked about it before. This is why I like. This is the engine for me that I like on a budget build, the LY6. I'm prepping and preparing it so I can bring it outside, power wash it, maybe possibly paint it, get all the stuff off and remove the stuff that I'm not going to use. But when I took the exhaust manifolds off, I found this. See, that's what a regular exhaust manifold bolt looks like, and this is what mine looks like at the very end. You see? So whether you're getting a used engine or either your old engine, this is common. Exhaust manifold or a header bolt, it's common for them to break every now and then. I'm going to show you how I'm going to go about pulling this thing out, and you got to be careful because you only get one shot before you have to go and start drilling and tapping, and that a little bit more time consuming. All right, so check this out. All right, first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to get my grinder, and what I want to do is I'm going to make 2 points pretty much flat. You want to be careful because you don't want to take your grinder and hit those heads, so wish me luck. So I got it nice and flat on both sides, and I'll explain to you later why. Next thing I'm going to do is I'm going to get this plug out. I use this for a sending unit for a temperature gauge. So if I have an aftermarket temperature gauge, I will put the sending unit right here, and you'd be good to go. We flatten that bolt so the vice grip will have something to bite to. Then get your favorite penetrant, which mine is freeze off. RC. Little touch. Let's sit for a second. And then just another touch. And then wiggle it just a little bit. Wiggle it just a little bit. And one more. Wiggle it. Put that down. It comes out. And then I like to run a bolt, put a little anti-seize on the bolt and run it through there just to make sure it's not stripped. Maybe clean the rust out that has stuck in there, and that's all she wrote. So that's all there's to it, to removing this little culprit out of your heads. Now remember, you only get one shot, because if this had broke, then I'm going to be looking at that drilling and tapping. I'll be looking at the drilling and tapping. It's going to take a long time. So you only get one shot. Make it count. All right? Once again, everyone, I want to say thank you guys for all the love, the attention, the questions, the comments, everything. This is beautiful, and I really appreciate it. All right? If you have any more questions, you have any more comments, you know how to reach me. I'm not a hard brother to find. I'm not. All right? But I'm looking at the clock on the wall. Or should I say ceiling? Yeah. It's time for me to head on off and do some more work to this engine, get it clean, then I gotta go and prep the Chevelle. And then, I'm still with the Trailblazer project. Remember, that Trailblazer project, you guys are gonna be tied into that. So, as always, once again, I want to thank you guys again. But as always, please be easy, and I will catch you guys real soon. Take care. Wiggle it just a little bit as it grooves. Wiggle.